Hey, welcome to I Am Curvy Okay, where we cover fashion hauls, hair reviews, and vlogs here and there. Today I want to go over this bob wig from Luvme Hair that I ordered with a bang, y'all. I ain't wore a bang in a long time. But it came with the bonnet, wig cap, the bag to keep it in, of course the pouch, comb brush, and elastic band. This is a 10-inch bob wig. Got the clips on the side. Look at that natural lace. Got the band, and it has a clip at the back. So girl, I'm gonna take this band. Ooh. Why do I got these things in? I don't even need these earphones in right now. Oh, y'all. I'm gonna stick my combs in. How cute. I'm already feeling these. Okay. Straight out the box, y'all. Straight out the box. I like this. Okay. We don't have to curl this. You know what? I know why it's like this. Cause I just twisted my hair up. I ain't even break this stuff down. Okay, y'all. This it. Your girl over here banging. Got me all bang. What they be hollering? My man, baby. Love me. Hair got me like my wig. Okay. Baby, I'm over here looking like Tamika or Latasha Scott from Escape over here. Don't play. Yeah. Quick little 5-10 minute hairstyle, baby. And that's it. And we gone. Bouncing. Don't play with her. Don't play. Don't. Yeah. But y'all, let's see. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.